Hey team, how's it going? Eddie Gray here. Today I want to talk to you about one of my favorite features inside of Clueso. This is a video that I made just a couple of days ago. It was a fast video. I didn't have a lot of time, but as I've said before, Clueso will bridge that gap between not having enough time and being productive. So I went ahead, pulled up this article, and I just started reading it. I started to just give my thoughts on it. And this is what Clueso put out after the fact. This is not going to be my voice. This is an AI rewritten script with an AI voice. Check it out.
Welcome to the Modern Creative, here to discuss an interesting development that signals the changing times. We have a unique, first-of-its-kind record deal with an AI music.
So you can see as I'm scrolling through the article, as I'm making all my various points, this thing is just hitting all the marks. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to show you one of my favorite features. If I go into the platform or home base, you can see that they have a translator option that will dub your video into 37 plus languages. So let me go ahead and find the video of choice. You could also drag in a video that has already been created. So this is really good for, let's say, YouTubers that want to expand their territories. And you can see on the left-hand side that I have Glinda, who is going to speak on the matter. You will have to generate the speech in order to get this script to be able to be heard. So let me go ahead and generate speech. Shouldn't take any longer than a minute. So while this is generating, the fact that you can do all of this within one platform is quite remarkable. Remember, Clueso has many other features. You can create various clips of long form videos. So if you're interested in making sure that you get more views within YouTube Shorts or TikTok or anything like that. So here we go. Let's take a listen.
Hola a todos, soy el Modern Creative y hoy estamos hablando de un cambio revolucionario en la industria musical.
Okay, I speak Spanish. This is a great Spanish tongue. Sounds believable, sounds authentic. I love it. From there, you go to share and you can export a video or a GIF. Let me show you what the article would look like, because this is also pretty fascinating. The fact that you can create a step-by-step article. This could be good for, let's say, teaching or helping others around the workplace, but it really is an outstanding software, and I highly recommend Clueso. If you have any questions for me about this software, please hit me in the comments, and I'm just going to keep putting out content. Again, I'm very enthusiastic about technology in general and how it can help and serve us. But moreover, when it's effective and it works, I geek out. So anyhow, this is Eddie Gray at The Modern Creative signing out. I'll see you guys later. God bless. Thank you.